This is a modern wheat flour mill, where agriculture meets industrial precision.
Everything starts in large-scale wheat farms across the United States.
Precision agriculture ensures consistent yield and quality. Drones and satellites track crop health in real time. Harvesting combines multiple operations into one continuous process. Moisture levels are controlled to ensure safe storage. Temporary storage protects wheat from spoilage. Bulk transport moves wheat efficiently to mills. At the mill, wheat enters automated receiving systems. Dust control protects both workers and product. Every batch is tested on arrival.
Protein and moisture are measured instantly.
Blending ensures consistent flour quality. Silos store thousands of tons of wheat. Pre-cleaning removes oversized impurities. Air separation removes light contaminants. Magnets protect machinery and food safety. Optical sorters inspect every grain.
Destiners remove heavy foreign material.
Conditioning optimizes kernel moisture. Testing allows moisture to equalize. Milling begins by opening the grain. The brake system separates bran from endosperm. Plant sifters classify particles by size. Purifiers improve flour purity. Reduction rolls create final flour texture. Automation controls every stage in real time. Blending achieves precise specifications. Enrichment meets regulatory standards. Continuous testing ensures safety and quality. Packaging lines operate at high speed. Automation handles heavy loads safely. Finished flour awaits distribution. Flour is shipped nationwide. Byproducts are fully utilized. Energy efficiency is engineered into the plant. Waste is minimized through recycling. This is food production at industrial scale. The final product feeds millions every day. Finished flour moves into organized storage systems.
FIFO systems ensure freshness and traceability.
Distribution begins at the loading dock.
Logistics are monitored in real time. Transport conditions preserve product quality. Bran is separated and conveyed efficiently. Byproducts are stored for secondary use. Bran supports animal feed production.
Energy use is continuously monitored.
VFDs reduce unnecessary power consumption. Water systems operate in closed loops. Dust is captured and recycled. Hygiene controls protect food safety. Compliance is continuously documented. Redundancy ensures uninterrupted production.
Redundancy ensures uninterrupted production.
Hundreds of tons are processed every day. This scale requires major investment and engineering.
Industrial milling favors efficiency and safety.
Flour is tailored for many applications. Products serve both retail and industry. Supply chains connect mills to markets. Efficiency and sustainability work together.
Safety is verified before release.
Production runs around the clock.
This is modern food manufacturing.
Flour feeds millions every day. From field to factory, this is how wheat flour is made today.